everyone. So as a busy mom, you know it's a pain going to the grocery store because you gotta pack the baby in, pack the baby out. So that's why I'm such a big fan of meal kit services. And my favorite happens to be HelloFresh. If you're not familiar with meal kit services, I'm gonna let you know a little about it. So basically what you get on a weekly basis is all of this, okay? So you get a paper and it's the meal you've chosen. So they give you an options of meals and you pick which one you wanna get on a weekly basis. So this week I chose honey chicken with barbecue roasted potatoes and buttery broccoli. And basically what's awesome about HelloFresh is that they send it in the bag already. So all of the stuff is basically in this bag. And if you're not familiar with meal kit services, the food's not ready for you. So it's fresh food that you're gonna be making. I am not a fan of meal delivery services because I don't want like someone else making my food and sending it and I don't know when it was made. I don't know how fresh it is. I don't like my chicken pre-cooked. So this is all fresh that I'm gonna make. But don't be discouraged by thinking that, oh, it's gonna take me 7 years to make this meal. I don't have time. After I put my baby down, I'm tired. It's literally only 35 minutes. So you get to pick how much time you want. Like, okay, I have a little time. This meal is 40 minutes. I'll pick this meal this week. I'm like, you know what? I have a really busy week. It's gonna be only 20 minutes. I'm gonna pick the 20-minute meal. So that's what's awesome about it. And everything fresh, everything's pre-portioned. So this is how much breadcrumbs I'm gonna use for this. This is how much honey I'm gonna use for this. So what's awesome about it is that you're not wasting food as well. All right, I'm gonna start making the food. So like I mentioned, today we're making hot honey chicken. And this is awesome. I'm really happy I'm doing this because you guys often message us and ask us like what I eat on a daily basis and how I'm staying fit during my pregnancy. So now you know what I eat on a weekly basis because it comes ready for me basically. Okay, so first things first is gonna be the potatoes. I cut it, they send you the fresh potatoes and you have to prep it, which is awesome because it's so fresh that way. So I cut them, I'm gonna put them in here. And I like to use as little plates as possible. So I'm using my aluminum little foil that I get to toss after. So wash and dry all produce, dice potatoes into 1/2 inch, toss on a baking sheet with drizzle of olive oil, half the barbecue seasoning, and a large pinch of salt. See, like it's dummy proof, guys. Okay, half of this. All right, I'm gonna place the potatoes into the oven and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. And then the broccolis, I'm gonna put into steam. All right, I'm gonna make the crust right now. So I need 1 tablespoon of butter. And then stir in a large drizzle of olive oil. Remaining barbecue seasoning. And then the panko. And then I gotta mix it up. Now I'm gonna coat the chicken. So what you need to do is pack the chicken with paper towel, which I already did. Okay. And then season with salt and pepper. And then evenly spread sour cream on top of the chicken breast, then sprinkle with the panko mixture. I'm gonna put this here. So spread the sour cream evenly. And then add the panko mixture, basically the crust. All right, these babies are done. I'm gonna toss it in the oven and roast it for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, the broccoli is ready. It says drizzle with some butter. And some salt and pepper. And mix. Look how amazing this looks. I'm gonna drizzle it with hot honey, which I didn't even know existed. Is this not a restaurant meal or what? All right, guys, I have a coupon code for you, so go in the link in the description below to get $80 off your first month. I'll see you guys next time.